Hey everybody, Sharif here at SS Customs in Redwood City, California. As you guys may know by now, I'm going to walk you guys through this week's projects. Yet again, another crazy week, but we're going to jump right into it just like we normally do. We got this project we're not going to talk about because there's so much going on, so we're going to move to the next projects behind it. We got this Corvette Z06 C7, full front end clear bra ceramic coating. Going to finish off for this client relatively soon. This G-Wagon here, we've just started on the project, and this is going to be more of a slow moving process because this customer is out of town and we're doing a couple things for this car, but this will have a color change for sure. You'll see that progress along. This right here, we made a lot of progress on this Porsche 911. This customer had a silver gray metallic color car, and we went ahead and did chalk white, which is obviously one of Porsche's probably modern favorite colors that are out now. It's like a pastel gray, non-metallic, and this is a KPMF color. Color change is going great, almost done. This RS5, everybody loves the R models, and this car is exceptional. Brand new car that just came in. This car has a full front end clear bra that we went ahead and did. This is more of a week and a half turn project. This one's getting a full color change, plus a couple other goodies. Honda CRV for this customer. Space there for just a second, but we work on everything. As you guys know, we're not biased. Bring any car you want to us, and we're gonna customize it as long as you want to do it and make it yours. Nissan GTR, brand new, another car from our customer John from Epic Security Works, and he's got a Nissan GTR that we've just did a full front end clear bra on. We're doing full body ceramic coating after we just did the paint correction. And I believe a couple other little tidbits just to make it his own. This McLaren 570 for one of our newer clients, Jish. We've got a front end clear paint protection film, full paint correction, ceramic coating, also a black view dual channel camera install. So he has full protection, not just on the exterior, but also protection and peace of mind. So he knows what's going around his car. If he parks somewhere, he has everything recorded. So we also do that here as well, in case you're looking. We've got this Audi up top that we're doing a full paint correction, ceramic coating, and powder coating of the wheels, along with some other tidbits like chrome delete and whatnot. So this one's gonna be well on its way towards the end of the week. Finish up for this customer. This one, almost done. BMW 5 Series, Vossen wheels, chrome delete, full color change in a Avery Supreme Satin Black, is getting a Glossit 10H coating. Along with a Panoramic gloss black roof in Obsidian Black by Avery Dennison. And then we went ahead and finished off the taillights in S-Tech, a beautiful car. You saw the photo shoot on our Flickr, and hopefully some other finished video edits later, if not on this one. This truck right here, we just finished off some window tints for. And then we have, I'll show you this one right here. This is a really cool Corvette. Everybody likes the new C8s. We've been working on a lot of them if you've been tuning into our videos and our social. This bright orange one is going to be a completely different color. I'll surprise you with that as we go along with our next week's video. So stay tuned for this one. You'll see the color as it unfolds. We're about to start this one. As you can tell, we got 4 or 5 color changes in process right now. So we're trying to get this one teed up with that. And as soon as it's there in the next day or so, then we'll start progress on that one. Tesla Model 3 in for some window tints and some other services. And then behind it, we have a C63 that we're about to start in Nosatech midnight purple color change on. That one's gonna be killer. I like purples. I got 3 purple cars now. That's actually my brother's car. He's gonna be purple, so it's just gonna be a mob of purple cars. So if you see us events here in NorCal, you know who we are. All right, and they're all different colors too. Everybody's got it's a different brand, different color. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, thank you guys. Always checking out SS Customs. This was a quick one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what's the coolest project you have. Also, don't forget that we got that thing coming up next year. We do about once or twice a year for people who want to be part of our program where we help people out. So if you got a cool project, you want us to work on it, you want us to do a color change, maybe add some other tidbits on it, you want to be selected as that lucky person, go ahead, comment, also like and subscribe, and then we'll make sure we put you in that tally mark. So thank you again. As always, we appreciate you here at SS Customs. Deuces.